Horns up and welcome to another episode of Pizza Wars with Thrive. I am on Tulsi Pipe Road outside the Lodha complex because they don't let you take a camera inside. You can film with your phone anywhere in this city, but they see a DSLR and then they start to panic. So as you can see, I'm here on a very noisy, busy main road of Bombay city. Anyway, let's check out the pizza from Cafe Noir. All right. I don't know how it got displaced while walking, but wow, okay. So you can see there's a lot of fat in the pepperoni and a lot of it is rendered out. So it's definitely a lot of grease on there, which may or may not be a good thing. Like look at the oil here. Like look at the paper, it's soaked in the oil. And of course, it's a thin and crispy crust. It's got a lot of oil at the bottom. Yeah, so I'm a little worried now, but you know what? Let's give it a try. The pizza from Cafe Noir, pepperoni. Super, super greasy. Yeah, all I'm tasting is the grease. And all I'm hearing is the noisy city. The traffic in this city is as extreme as the grease on this pizza. The cheese has been cooked to oblivion. Like you can see, it's become crispy. I mean, the crust is nicely charred, but like the cheese is definitely overcooked as well. Let's try the crust. Biscuity, chewy. I mean, look, there is a comforting taste to this. Like, you know, when you want something that is so wrong that it's right. In that way, maybe it's salvageable a little bit, but overall, yeah, I think this is definitely not a good pizza. I'll take one more bite just to be sure. I'd say this is a 6.1 on 10 for me. Let's find out what the serial eaters have to say about this pizza. Alright, so Sagar is back. By now you should start seeing many familiar faces on these episodes. Alright guys, another familiar face on Pizza Wars. Amar is back to taste some pizza. Amar, are you ready to taste the Cafe Noir pepperoni pizza?
Yeah, I'd love to.
I feel it is a little bit burnt. It is.
It's not that good for a pizza. So there's very little cheese on it that I can taste. The pepperoni is good. I like it.
It's a good sauce, good pepperoni. I think they have ruined it while cooking it.
The crust is, yeah, it didn't seem very appealing and it's not very appealing either. There is no char on the pizza. It's just a base which is, somewhat folding on its own and all.
Good pizza, but I think it's a bad day to taste it probably.
Yeah, well, I mean, they got to nail their pizzas every single day. So
Yeah, the quality of the pepperoni is good. Bread is nice, thin and crust. Sauce, I like it, but overburnt, as I said.
So the only thing probably I like about this pizza is the meat. The pepperoni is really good, and yeah, there's very little cheese. There is no such crust on it. There is nothing going on really great with the pizza.
So I'm going to rate this a solid 5.5 out of 10 for this pizza.
I would give this pizza a solid 4.5. That's it.
alright folks, and that's a wrap on this review of Cafe Noir's pizza. You got my rating, the serial eaters have given you theirs. And if you've tried their pizza, let us know in the comments below. And I'll see you on the next episode of Pizza Wars. Until then, cheers and keep eating. It's not his fault. I mean, he's just doing his job. But again, security trying to tell us we cannot shoot on the street. He said they own the street, which is new to me. But I mean, whatever. Anyway, let's get cracking.